Morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Hope you're all doing well, staying safe. And I know yesterday kind of sucked. It was rainy and stuff, but hopefully you're still able to get outside and get some fresh air. Today we're going to be concluding our learning of Langston Hughes by reading or completing the story One Friday Morning. I also want to let you know that I will be introducing the summative for tomorrow, or the summative tomorrow for the rest of the year. It's going to be based on the Harlem Renaissance and what we've been doing, but you're going to be either researching somebody of your choice or completing a piece of artwork based on your experiences. So that's why we keep doing this. How are these authors' experiences showing up in their work? That's why we're talking about their lives and then reading their fictional work. You're going to be doing the same kind of thing. You're not going to be writing like a book or anything, but you'll have the opportunity to write a poem, a song, a short story. But don't worry about that yet because there's going to be a lot more information about that in the coming days. So for today, learning objective is I can complete One Friday Morning and reflect on what I have read. Watch this video first and then complete the Langston Hughes One Friday Morning Part 3 assignment and submit. Use this video by clicking right here. If you need help or just want me to read the story, I recommend you do that. It helps you get the full experience. So I recommend clicking on this right here. And then remember, you can join my office hours if you need anything, or Schoology message me or email. So I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's just the same thing we've been doing the last couple of days. It's just the third part of this assignment. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Make sure to click on this and go to week 6 if you have missed anything. Okay, if you want to make up anything, don't go back super far because I don't want you to feel stressed. If you are still in like week 2 or something, just email me and we'll figure out what to do. You don't need to complete everything, so don't feel like you do. All right, that's it for today. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll talk to you later.